Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a griffin. A griffin is a mythological beast that's a combination of an eagle and a lion. To learn how to draw a lion, check out our other video linked in the description below. Let's start off by drawing the top beak with a hook-shaped line angling down to the left, and a gentle swoop up to the right. Then, connect those two ends with a thinner, gentle S-shaped line like so. Underneath, draw a really tall, slightly curved V-shape for the lower beak. And close out that shape by connecting it to this end here. From the top, add a curved line arching over to the right for the forehead. And going out to the right, a big sideways V-shape with a smaller one underneath it. And just to the left, another V-shape for the ear on the other side. These are like a lion's ears, but covered in feathers. Out the back, extend the line from the top of the head curving down to the right, adding a few notches in it for the ruffles in the feathered mane. And down from the front, a gentle S-shape coming down to the right, with a few more notches in it as well. At the bottom, start the front leg with a notched line curving down like so. Then, another notched line curving back up like this. From the bottom, extend two lines coming down for the eagle's leg, with three sharp eagle talons at the bottom and one out the back. At the back of the mane, extend the line out to the right slightly. Then, a long line swooping up and over to the right for a giant wing. From there, draw a bunch of curves swooping in like so for the feathers, coming all the way back down and towards the start like so. Then, extend the line from behind the wing, swooping out to the right and curving down for the back. Underneath, extend the line from the chest behind the leg, coming across for the belly. And for the hind leg, a big sideways V-shape here for the thigh, a straight line coming down at an angle, and three big nubs at the bottom for some lion paws. A curve up like so, that turns up and over to the right, rounds back to the left, and a sharp turn up to here. Then, extend this line down to the leg to close out the shape. For the legs on the other side, copy the shape slightly to the left. Some notch lines for some feathers, two lines down, three sharp talons out the front, and one out the back. Do that for the hind leg as well. A V-shape for the thigh, a line straight down, the lion's paw, and a line curving back up. Next, draw two really long swooping lines coming out from the back for a lion's tail, with a small leaf shape at the end for the tuft of fur. On the back, draw another really long line swooping up and over for the other wing, with a few curves at the end. On the head, draw a line curving down like so, with a big dot underneath it for the eye. And on the tip of the beak, an oval-shaped dot for the nostril. To add some more detail, add a zigzagging line across the neck here, and a few more rows above it like this for some more texture. On the body, draw a few small zigzags for some fur scattered around. And on the wings, a line going up along the front of the wing, and a few curves on the wing like so for more feathers. And now you've got a griffin. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.